Hello traders, welcome to a new trading week. The new trading week actually ushers us into a new month, which is October. So for last week's pairs, the forecast was on the GBP USD, the USDCAD, and the AUDJPY, and they all went as predicted. The GBP USD, I noted, had met a resistance zone, so my bias was bearish and it went down throughout the whole of the week and actually met target on the final trading day of the week, which was Friday. The USDCAD wasn't that smooth at all. It actually makes it into this week as well. I noted the head and shoulders, but I spent the whole week retesting the neckline of the head and shoulders. Now I see a new pattern on it, and that is the very reason why it makes it into the new week. And for the AUDJPY, I noted that I was stubbornly bullish in a falling market, and that was because of the negative correlation the AUDJPY has with the GBP USD. So it actually respected the support of the descending channel, and it also headed up throughout the rest of the week. It didn't meet target though, so I'm still on the AUDJPY trade as well as the USDCAD. For the coming week, the pairs that are in focus are the AUDJPY, the USDCHF, and the USDCAD again. For the AUDJPY, for the whole of the previous week, it didn't really move at all. The pip range was around 80 pips for the whole of the week, and looking at the structure we currently have, this means that it was very tight for a pair like AUDJPY, which can average 200 pips for a week. 80 pips is quite smaller. So for the coming week, we'll just be looking to trade the break of the weekly high or the weekly low, which in turn is support or resistance. The resistance comes in at 73.306, and the support comes in at 72.464. So for the coming week, a break of this resistance level could mean that the AUDJPY would shoot higher, and a break below the support level could also mean that the AUDJPY could go lower. This is based on the 4-hour time frame breaks. Also, onto the USDCHF, we have a rising market which is not so strong, and we have a simple trend line to deal with. This market has been rising since early August. For last week, the market failed to make a new high above this price, and Friday's candlestick also engulfs Thursday's candlestick. This is actually a bearish engulfing pattern. For the coming week, a very good confirmation for the USDCHF will come if this trend line is respected or broken. But looking at the way the market failed to make a new high, I'm kind of bearish this pair. If we manage to secure a close below the Friday's candlestick low, which comes in at 0.98971, but a very good confirmation will come depending on this trend line. So just based on the fact that the USDCHF failed to make a new high, I am bearish this pair. And to the USDCAD, which was way stubborn last week because it refused to fall. There is a new chart pattern I have identified on this pair. And this one is a descending triangle. We have a slanted trend line as the descending triangle's resistance. And support comes in over here. So for the coming week, USDCAD within this range is neutral. A break below the support would mean that the bears are still in control, and the break above the resistance of the triangle would mean that the bulls have taken over. Triangles are mostly two-way chart patterns, so you can't be really sure whether it's going down or up until the break occurs. But then looking at the price action from the daily time frame with all the candlestick reactions from this former zone that I noted last week, I remain bearish this pair, and even as my bearish position is still intact, I'll also remain bearish since it feeds into my bias. So even though the break hasn't come yet, I am rooting for a break below the triangle's support. So those are the pairs that are in focus for the coming week. The AUDJPY, the USDCHF, and the USDCAD. So basically I'm neutral the AUDJPY until the break of the resistance or the support comes in. For the USDCAD, I'm bearish though, but a very good confirmation will come if this descending triangle support is taken out, or if the descending triangle's resistance is taken out, then that means the bulls have taken over, and I'll let go of my bearish bias. And for the USDCHF, based on this two candlesticks, I am bearish, but a very good confirmation would come if this trend line is broken. If it is respected again, then that means the week uptrend continues. That is it for the coming week. You can check the links below in the description area to see how to enter trades the right way, how to set your stop losses, and how to set your take profit, as well as the blog post of this whole analysis.